5 students, how all of you are doing? I trust that all of you are doing great. So welcome back to our another class 4 subject, science. So last week we reviewed what we studied before, but before that we learned about our solar system, okay? Exploring the solar system. Okay, so in our solar system have a sun and 8 planets. Okay, so 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, okay, Earth, Mars, okay, Jupiter, Saturn, okay, Uranium and Neptune. Okay, so these are the 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, and they all orbit around the sun, and all the planets have their own characteristics. Okay, so some planets are hot and some planets are cold, very cold. Like Neptune is very cold because it is very far away from the sun, so it is very cold, and one day on Neptune is much longer than Earth. Okay, and in our solar system we also have moon. Okay, like Earth has one moon. Okay, so all the planets have moon, so orbits around them. Okay, so moon orbits around Earth and Earth orbits around sun, and Earth rotates around its axis. So same other planets rotates around its axis. Okay, so this was about our solar system, and today we will learn about exploring the stars. Okay, 6.7. okay, page number 94, 95. Okay, so write down here page 94 and 95. Okay, 6.7 exploring the stars. Okay, so let me read first. What is the universe? Okay, so what is the universe? Okay, the universe is the whole of space. It contains billions of stars in huge groups. Each group is called a galaxy. Okay, so when you look up in the sky, okay, nighttime we see most of the stars. So you see a big black space. Okay, so so that space is called universe. Universe is huge, is very big, beyond our imagination. Okay, so scientists haven't discovered the whole universe yet. Okay, and it contains billions of stars in huge groups. Okay, so and it has billions of stars in groups. Okay, and it is called galaxy. Okay, our solar system is a tiny part of one of these galaxies called the Milky Way. Okay, and our solar system is just a small part, a tiny part of this universe, and our solar system is called our solar system and our galaxy. So our solar system exists in a galaxy. Okay, and it is called Milky Way. Until 100 years ago, astronomers thought that the universe was not much bigger than the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so 100 years ago, astronomers like astronauts, they discover, so like scientists, they discover universe. Okay, and then an American astronomer, Edwin Hubble, began to study a distant cloud of gas with a powerful telescope. Okay, so what is telescope? Telescope is an equipment the scientists use to search universe. Okay, so like it has a lot of it has a big glasses, magnifying glasses, like you can zoom in. Okay, so they use this equipment to search in universe. Okay, he discovered, like we can say discover. Okay, he discovered that the cloud was a mass of stars. This meant it was another galaxy. So many more galaxies were discovered, and it became clear that the universe is gigantic. Okay, so Hubble wanted to find out whether the universe was getting bigger or not. By observation through telescopes over many years, he realized that the universe was expanding. Okay, so after he discovered a cloud was a mass of star. Okay, so then he realized that universe is gigantic, it's very big, and then he wanted to find out more that universe is expanding means getting bigger. Okay, so then by observation he realized that universe is actually expanding, it's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so let's have a look activity 6.7. okay, you will learn what is the meaning of universe is expanding. Okay, making a model of expanding universe. Okay, partially blow up the balloon and tie the end with a rubber band so that no air escapes. Okay, so when you blow the balloon, okay, so only half. Okay, like you get a big balloon, okay, and then you blow the balloon only half. Okay, so and you tie it with a rubber band so the air cannot escape. Place a few stickers over the balloon, take off the rubber band and blow the balloons up more. Tie the end of the balloon with the rubber band. Observe what has happened to the stickers. Okay, so place some stickers, okay, on the balloon and then blow it more. Okay, take the rubber band off and blow it more. So you will see balloon is slowly getting bigger and bigger. So that's meaning, so when you blow a balloon slowly it's expanding. Okay, so when you keep blowing, so it will get bigger and bigger. So that's how he realized that universe is getting bigger and bigger. Okay, so let's have a look here. Okay, so we're learning about exploring the stars. Okay, so there are billions and billions of stars in the universe. Okay, and a group of stars called galaxy. In galaxy, one galaxy has billions of stars, planets. Okay, so what is a star? So let's talk about this. What is a star? Okay, a star is a luminous ball of gas. Excuse me. Okay, it's a ball of gas. Okay, so hydrogen and helium held together by its gravity. Okay, so mostly hydrogen and helium. Okay, hydrogen and helium are gases. Okay, gases like air is a gas. Okay, and helium is used in balloons as well. Okay, so that helium is much lighter than air, that's why it makes the balloons float or fly high in the sky. Okay, so a star is a luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium held together by its gravity. Okay, so now what is gravity? Okay, gravity is attractive forces. Okay, so we are on the earth because of Earth's gravity. Okay, if Earth don't have gravity, we will fly in the sky. Okay, we will fly in the universe. Okay, if you leave let's have a look at this. Okay, so this is a paper. Okay, so when I leave it here, it falls down. Why? Because Earth has gravity. Earth is like a magnet. Okay, so when you bring iron close to magnet, okay, so magnet will attract. Okay, so main attractive forces, so the gravity is same like attractive forces. So earth like force us to stay here. Okay, so so that is gravity. Okay, so in a star, like all the planets have gravity. Okay, in our solar system all the planets, that's why like they have different environment, because that's why they have different things stay on there, so they do not fly in the universe. Okay, a star is a luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium held together by its gravity. Okay, the sun is the closest star to earth. Okay, so sun is the closest one, so sun is very close to earth. Okay, as you know, earth is the third planet in our solar system. So sun is that's why we get sunlight in the daytime. Okay, nighttime we see sun. no, oh, sorry, nighttime we see stars, but very small. Why? Because they are very far away. But in the daytime we see sun, we see big, because sun is the closest one. Other stars are very far away. Okay. So now let's talk about what is galaxy. Okay. So a galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars. Okay. In a galaxy is a huge collection. Collection means a group. Okay. A group of gas, okay, dust, and billions of stars and their solar system. Okay. Solar system, like same like sun and our planet. Say, okay, a galaxy is held together by gravity. Okay, I explained you earlier what is gravity. Okay, so a galaxy is held together by gravity. Okay, so our galaxy is held together by gravity. Okay, that's why planets move in a particular rotation. Okay, so they don't move here and there. Okay, they move in a particular rotation. Okay, particular way. And our galaxy is called Milky Way. Okay, so Milky Way is the name of our galaxy. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, it's just an example. Okay, so you will see billions of stars, planets. Okay, so stars don't actually look like this. Okay, sun is a star and sun is a round ball. Okay, it's a ball of gas. So this is just an example. Okay, so a galaxy look like this. Okay, it will have solar system, billions of stars, gases, dust. Okay, so telescopes. Okay, the most important instrument for looking at the stars is the optical telescopes. Okay, this makes distant objects like stars look bigger and brighter. Mirrors inside the telescopes collect and focus the light to make images. Okay, so you can go on Google and search for telescope, then you will see the photos and how it works. Okay, telescope works because it has magnified mirrors, so that can focus. Okay, then you can zoom in, like that has a big zooming in. Okay, so that's it in the first video. Okay, so task one will be posted in the group. Okay, so I will give you task 1 in the group, and I will give you I can give you activity on the book or an activity to do on your notebook. Okay, so and I will give you instruction. I will give you enough time. If you will have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me. Okay, so that's in the first video. I will see you in the next video. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today. Today we are learning about exploring the stars. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, like in universe is a whole space, it's a big space. Okay, and it has a lot of galaxies, and in a galaxy has solar system, gas, okay, dust, and billions of stars. And our galaxy is called Milky Way, and in our Milky Way we have a solar system, and in our solar system we have sun and 8 planets and billions of stars. So what are the differences between a star and a planet? Okay, what makes them different? Because they two are different things. So what makes them different? So let's have a look here. Difference between stars and planets. Okay, stars are incredibly hot, having high temperatures. Okay, so like sun is and stars are a big ball. Okay, and they have high temperature, they are very hot. Like sun is very hot, so it's a big hot ball. Okay, but planets have relatively low temperature, like Earth. That's why we can survive on the Earth, because Earth has relatively low temperature. Okay, Earth has ideal temperature for us to survive here. Okay, they are the objects produce their own light. Okay, so like sun has its own light. Okay, planets are incapable of producing their own light. Planets do not have their own light. Like Earth do not have its own light. We get the light from the sun, so it's called sunlight. That's why we can see things around, because of sun, and sun is a star. So sun produces its own light. Stars twinkle in the sky. Okay, so stars are capable. Star has a twinkling effect, but planets do not twinkle. Planets do not have that twinkling effect. Okay, stars change their position after a long time. Stars do change their positions, but after very long time, and it cannot be seen like this. Okay, but planets orbits around their own axis. Like planets, as we learn in this, that Earth rotates around its own axis, and it also orbits around the sun. So all the planets orbits around the sun. So planets change their position constantly, but stars, they do change their positions, but after very long time. Okay, stars consist of hydrogen and helium, like gas. Okay, so stars consist of hydrogen and gas, but on the other hand, planets have a liquid, gas, okay, and solids. Okay, so like we have water, we have solids, and we have gases. Okay, so these are the differences between stars and planets. Okay, coming on to your task 2. Your task 2 will also be posted in the group. Okay, I will give you an activity to do. I will give you enough time. If you will have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me. I will be there to help you. Okay, so that's it. In the second video, I will see you in the third and last video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today. And you guys have done a great job in task 1 and task 2. So well done and keep it up. So today we learned about exploring the stars. Okay, as I mentioned in the last 2 videos, so universe is a big space and it has a lot of galaxies. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a collection of billion stars. It has gases, okay, dust, okay, and solar system. Okay, like if we talk about our galaxy is called Milky Way. Okay, and in our Milky Way galaxy we have a solar system. What is our solar system? So our solar system consists of a star, okay, like sun, and 8 planets. Okay, so 8 planets have their different characteristics and properties. Okay, and our planet name is Earth, and it's on the 3rd position in our solar system. Okay, and all the planets orbits around the sun, and they also rotates around its axis, like Earth rotates around its axis. That's why we see day and we see night. Okay, and like some planets, Earth has 1 moon. Okay, but some planets have more than 1 moon. Okay, and we see billions of stars. Okay, actually stars are bigger. Some stars are bigger than sun. Okay, because they are very, very far away from us. That's why we see them small. Okay, but sun is the closest one. Okay, so have a look at here. A star is a luminous ball of gas. It's a ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by its gravity. Okay, gravity, like attractive forces. The sun is the closest star to Earth. Okay, and in a galaxy, billions of stars. Okay, so like nighttime we see so many stars, okay, in the universe, but they are very far away from us. That's why we see them very small. Okay, so now what is the difference between a star and a planet? Okay, so here are the difference. Stars are incredibly hot. Okay, stars, mostly stars, because it's a big ball of gas. That's why they have their own temperature. Okay, so very high temperature. Like sun is very hot. It's very far away from us, but still we feel the hot. Okay, and planets have relatively low temperature. So planets like Earth, so it has a low temperature. That's why we can survive here. They are objects produce their own lights. Like sun gives us light, but planets do not have their own lights. Okay, that's why we need light from the sun to see things. Stars twinkle in the sky. Stars have a twinkling effect. but planets do not have twinkling effect. Stars change their position after a very long time. Stars change their position after a very long time, but on the other hand, planets change their position constantly, like Earth rotates around its axis, and it also orbits around the sun. So, and all the other planets, 7 planets, they orbit around the sun. So that's why we can say planets change their position constantly. Stars consist of hydrogen and helium, but planets has solids, okay, gas and liquids. Okay, we can see solid here like water, liquid, okay, and we can also feel gases, okay, like air is a gas, and some other gases. Okay, so that's it for today. Homework will be given in the group. Okay, and do not forget to do your homework. If you don't do your homework, you will not get any points. Then in final result, don't tell me, teacher, we failed, because you have not been doing your homework. So don't forget to do your homework and your class activities. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for participating. Take care, be safe. Bye bye. I will see you next week.